Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this stunning 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom home. It is nestled in the serene community of Rosemount Meadows, St. James. It is just 15 minutes from the vibrant city of Montego Bay. This property offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience, making it an ideal family home or investment opportunity. It sits on 0.15 acres of land. The upper level features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, while the lower level offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, providing ample space for comfortable living. The property is fully tenanted, making it a ready to go investment with great potential. Enjoy the peaceful surroundings and the lush hillside views, or take advantage of the home's proximity to essential amenities, shopping centers. The lively hip strip and the picturesque Harmony Beach Park are just a short drive away. Additionally, the property is conveniently located near the Cornwall Regional Hospital, police station, and fire station. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Make this house your next great investment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $255,200. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.